Introduction. Hi friends, today we are going to see how we can use our mobile as a webcam for our laptop or desktop. We will see both the methods. Connect mobile as webcam wirelessly or via USB cable. Let's get started. DroidCam wireless. On our Windows PC, we will go to the browser and go to the website dev47apps.com. Here we will download the Windows client of DroidCam and install it. Once the software is installed, we will open it. Ensure that your phone and the laptop are on the same wireless network. Now once we open the DroidCam Windows client, it is asking for Wi-Fi IP address and DroidCam port. We will now go to our Android phone, open settings, go to About Phone, press build number 7 times till it says you are a developer. Now go to developer option in settings or search ADB in settings search bar. Select the USB ADB debugging to turn it on. Now go to Google Play Store and install DroidCam Wireless Cam app. Once the app is installed, open it. It will now ask you some permissions which you can allow. On the top right corner, click the camera icon and select front camera. Now note the Wi-Fi IP address and the DroidCam port number on the phone. Enter the same on the Droid client software in Windows. Select video and audio and click start. That's it. Your mobile is now your webcam. You can place the mobile on a stand, tripod or on the laptop as I have placed it. Connect the mobile as webcam via USB cable. Go and get your mobile charging cable and connect it to your mobile and laptop. Go to DroidCam Windows client and select the USB option to connect. You will be asked permission for connecting the phone in the USB debugging mode. Just allow that. In your phone, select file transfer in Android settings. Now on the DroidCam client for Windows, the USB source, you can select your phone and press start. That's it. Your phone is now connected as a webcam via a USB cable. All the software links are given in the video description or pinned comment. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.